Molly O'Daniel Corn is here, and she is the president of Lancaster Insurance. She has some important information to pass along about coverage for those big summer toys for RVs, motorcycles, boats, all of that. It's good to see you, Molly.
Yes, it's great to see you too. I know we talked so much about storms last time, so I thought let's talk about a fun topic.
Well, it is a fun topic, but it's an important one because, you know, those things kind of stay in storage most of the year, and now it's time to roll it out. So what do we need to know? Yeah,
and that's a great way to save money on your insurance, is to lower your coverage in those winter months if you won't be using the boat or RV or whatever it may be throughout the winter time, and then call your agent in the springtime and up your coverage again. A great way to remember to do that is we all pay our property taxes in the spring and the fall, so just put that in your calendar as well. And yeah, just get your boats, your RVs, your motorcycles covered. I was speaking with one of our reps from Progressive the other day, and she brought it to my attention that 60% of people assume that their boats, RVs, motorcycles are included in their homeowners coverage or in their auto coverage. And it's always important to check on those assets and make sure that they do have their proper coverage.
I really would have thought that myself, because I wouldn't have thought to ask about that.
Yeah.
So what are people asking for? We say I need an individual coverage for my motorcycle and my RV or whatever that they're driving or enjoying.
Yes, they are individually covered under any insurance company that we have, at least at our agency. It's important to individually cover them and make sure that you don't have any liabilities outstanding before you go. And I understand that we're so blessed here in our area. It can get really warm quickly and you just want to take out your fun toys, but make sure that you're covered before doing so.
Well, it's also travel time, and you know, we're all hitting the road. Some of us are renting cars and some of us are using our vehicles maybe for the first time for a trip. What are some considerations about insurance as we travel?
Yeah, that's a great point to bring up. A lot of people have their fun summer car, or they have that extra car in the driveway that if something happens to their automobile, they know that they have a backup car in their driveway. But if you're traveling down to Florida or to the beach in Alabama, you want to make sure you have rental coverage on your car in case something were to happen while you're gone. Because of course you need to get back somehow.
Good point. Now, when we rent a car, I mean, you can buy insurance there. So is this something additional through our own agency, like your agency?
Yeah, so that would just be rental coverage. It just comes with your auto coverage. It's an add-on technically, but a lot of agencies will automatically throw it in there just to make sure that you're covered. We usually ask either way, but yeah, it's an important thing to check on.
Yes, it is. You always be glad you had it. How can people reach out to you, Molly?
People can reach out over the phone. It's 812-477-8883, or walk into our office at any time. We're located on Green River Road, right by Barnes & Noble. And our email is contactus@lancasterinsurance.net.
Easy to find. Thank you, Molly. It's always good to see you.
Thank you. It's great to see you too.
More lifestyles for you right after this. Stick around.